Hey everybody, I'm Dr. Matthew Hoggatt, and I received a mini grant through the Center for Faculty Development. Now, being a relatively new instructor at USM, I wasn't really sure what the Innovation Mini Grants would cover or what the application process was like. So I went to the website and it gave me a lot of good background information, including a really easy to find link at the bottom of the page where I applied for the grant itself. The application process was very easy. All I had to do was fill out information about myself, the college and school I worked for, and what I wanted to spend the grant money on. Now, I teach under the School of Criminal Justice, Forensic Science, and Security, so I wanted to purchase fingerprint kits so I could teach my students about fingerprint detection, crime scene investigation, and general police work. Now, this required me to do a little bit of research to find the fingerprint kits that I wanted to purchase, and I had to explain how I was going to implement those into my classroom. Once I was finished, I submitted the form, and a few weeks later, I was notified that I had been approved for a mini grant. Being able to purchase these fingerprint kits for my classrooms has been really helpful in providing a hands-on experience for my students. Trying to give students a glimpse into the world of criminal justice and forensic science is always a difficult thing to do from just a textbook. So giving them something that they can play around with, use, and experience firsthand, just like a real investigator or police officer would do in the field, has been instrumental. I would definitely recommend applying for a CFD mini grant to any instructor that's looking at increasing the excitement level in their classroom. Your students will get a whole lot more out of what you're teaching, and honestly, they may be more prone to come to class if they know there's something fun going on. This mini grant has been instrumental in helping me increase the quality of my teaching during my first year at USM, and I'm really glad that I took the time to apply.